Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, start trading Forex indices and commodities with up to 800k of Blue Guardian's capital risk-free. Just pay a small one-time fee to take the challenge, hit a profit target and get funded. Then keep up to 90% of your profits and enjoy fast weekly payouts. Now for futures traders, Blue Guardian Futures offers up to 450k in funding with 100% profit on your first 15k. With low targets, no activation fees and unlimited resets, it's one of the best deals in the industry. Visit blueguardian.com or blueguardianfutures.com to start trading today and grab their limited time discount code.
Good morning, guys. Oh, gotta have this. Oh, my bad. Okay, there I am. Hey, guys. Good morning. How is everybody today? Hope everybody is doing good. All right, so had a little bit of a roller coaster on this certain combine, but back to about a little less than 2% before passing this one. I might be trading my PA today. I should be trading it. It doesn't look too bad today. Looks like we have some nice clean movement on the higher time frame. So maybe we'll get something today. Has anybody taken a trade yet? Have you guys taken a trade yet? What's up, guys? What's up, Carlos? Let's do it. Let's do it. You bullish today on NQ, huh? You're bullish. All right. Well, let's see for me. I just want to check news real quick, make sure I'm not missing anything. Oh, we have FOMC meeting minutes at 2 p.m. today. I mean, it's just the meeting minutes, so shouldn't have too much of a crazy reaction, but who knows right now because of the fucking market right now and everything that's happening with all the tariffs. So it could have a stronger effect than it normally does, just something to keep an eye out on. So all right, let's mark up the chart. Let's mark the chart up, guys. Let's mark it up. All right, so you guys saw my current balance. I'm about $900 away from passing this combine. I'm going to be trading my PA today too. I didn't trade my PA last time because that market was just, I didn't like it. What's up, Tony? My guy. Let's get into it. So we're going to look at the higher time frame, okay, just to find some direction. So what's his name? He said he's bullish today, okay, for this session. All right. So looks like here. All right. So obviously, though, we're in a huge downtrend, obviously, but I can see why he's saying he's bullish for the day. Okay. I can definitely see why. So we got some, I don't know why it keeps saying that. I forgot. I haven't really fixed that yet. Anyway, so here on the 4-hour, I'm going to turn off this magnet. To about right. Well, let's say about right here. But it came down, retested this level of support that we broke through. So I'd say this is a pretty valid area. We have a lot of wicks tapping into here. We broke out from this level after we broke above here on the higher time frame. So we could be mimicking this entire pattern over here to the left side, right? Because, you know, if you want to look at a lot of things and try to find out where the market is headed, just look to the left, guys. Just look to the left. It's right here in front of you, all of it. So look at this. I can see exactly why he's bullish today. Okay. And I absolutely agree with you. We got these New York highs here from yesterday. Okay. We had a really strong push below. So if we can break above these London highs and close above the London highs, then we have a very strong chance of pushing all the way back up to this New York high and taking out some liquidity or retesting it somewhere in this area. So we have that. I'm also going to mark off my, oh wait, no, this is the London low. London low, DOL. This is also my Asia low, DOL. So down here too is like, we bounced pretty heavily from here. Okay, from this, especially from here. So that's why I marked off this little level. And you see how I marked off the zone on the 4 hour and then came down in here to the 1 hour. And this is a London low DOL and an Asia low DOL. So we're already pretty much moving, guys. Marking up my New York Open here. Man, I'd really like to see a retest or somewhere here for New York Open to grab longs, take out this high. So if we take out London highs first, I'm going to see and wait to see if we close above it or if we take out London highs and then start rejecting. If we start rejecting, we could grab some shorts below. But if we close above, then I'll look for an entry to continue into longs to go higher. How's that sound? How does that sound? Okay. So we're breaking it. Oh, we already closed and broke above New York Open. Okay. New York Open, 8 a.m. New York Stock Exchange Open is at 9:30 a.m. That's when most volume comes in. So if we can have a nice retest of New York Open, I'm definitely going to be grabbing some longs into these London highs. Definitely going to be grabbing some longs into this London highs. So let me go ahead and look at exactly how much. We also have like a nice, cute little 5-minute FVG here. There's no bottom wick at all. This is very nice. So we have a FVG here in the New York Open, and we have an FVG here. So we could play off of these two FVGs. I'm not going to mark up the FVG New York Open because just look at it. I mean, it's already here. Unless you guys want me to. Maybe some people don't know. Okay, I'll just mark it up. 5-minute FVG. 5-minute FVG. So multiple areas to play off of, right? And I don't know why it says this because I was using two charts literally last week. I just keep forgetting to fix it or whatever. All right, there's also, well, this has 20 minutes to close for this 30-minute candle. So, but as you guys know, if you are new here, I don't really take a trade until around 9:15, 9:30 a.m. Okay, so we can still got about 5 minutes left. Let me just calculate my risk really quickly. 433 ticks. That's 108 points. We have a nice doji here, okay, but the higher time frame is saying bullish. Okay. So I'm going to look for longs only. What I would like to see though is we take out one of these liquidities, either this current New York low. I would have way more confidence. But we could just retest from this FEG and New York Open and continue up. But if we take out a level of liquidity and start bouncing up, that's even more confirmation that's like, okay, we're going to be bullish for this session up until a certain point, you know. I mean, not the whole time, whatever. Because Trump just imposed what, like over 100% tariffs on China. Yeah, he paused other tariffs for like 90 days or whatever, but then he fucking raised China's to over 100%. So, you know, China is US is number one supplier. So, uh like why would you do that? What time frame and what are we trading? Because the top is blocked. Oh, here, we're trading NQ. Yeah. People have said that before about it being blocked. Is there I wish I could like bring this lower or something. We're trading NQ, my guy. We're trading MNQ. I'm trading futures currently. I mean, it doesn't matter. You can trade futures or Forex. I mean, it's both. It's literally pretty much the same entries, just the numbers are a bit different, right? That's pretty much it. But yeah, what I want to see, guys, is a nice retest because we already had the break. Okay, we already had the break, so we could expect this as well. Okay, this is a 15-minute. This would be a 15-minute FVG. I kind of like the higher time frame FVGs a little bit more. Like they just resonate with me. Like the higher time frame is just a little bit better for me. There's just a lot of noise on the lower time frames, and sometimes it can just be a lot. It can be a lot for me. We have one here because we took out an internal high, but again, this is inside of New York Open, right? So I'm going to see where it goes. I'm just going to look at the 15-minute. Okay, I'm just going to look at the 15. I'm not going to look at the 5-minute. Sometimes the 5 really, really fucks with me, but I feel like sometimes I actually get an even better entry on the higher time frame because I can kind of see where the candle is trying to go with just one candle instead of on the 5-minute. There's 3 5-minute candles inside of one 15-minute candle. Okay, there's 2 15-minute candles inside of one 30-minute candle. There's 2 30-minute candles inside of one 1-hour candle, and then so forth. 4 1-hour candles inside of one 4-hour candle. Okay, if you guys didn't already know that. But we're trading NQ. Oh yeah, I didn't even calculate my risk yet. Just give me a second. Oh my God, that's a really big risk. My risk would be about right here. If it wants to come and take out these New York lows first, that's fine. I'll look for an entry once it bounces. But yeah, we're gonna watch and see what happens. I want to see at least somewhere in this 15-minute FEG. That would be nice. It'd be nice to come all the way down here to this New York Open, but let me see. This market's pretty crazy, so let's do about 254 ticks, okay? Because it's kind of a crazy market. I don't really need this entire movement. Oh my god. Apex, bro. Hold on. Let me log back into my fucking Apex account. Fucking idiots. They always log you out of your trading view. And of course, it's going to log me out right when um, open is about to start. Of course, of course. Thank you, Apex. Thank you, bro. I don't know why you always do that to me, but okay, hold on. Hold on, fam. Just come over here for a second. Just look at that for a second. Okay, just look at that for a second. Uh, I don't know if it's like Apex that logs you out of TradingView or if it's TradingView that logs you out of TradingView. But that shit is annoying. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Yeah, that doji is a little fake out. On the 5 minute, that was a fake out. Oh my god, I really need some water. Like, I really need some water. And what I think we're gonna do, I think what we're doing is we're waiting for the 9:30 open. Just kind of watching how these candles are forming. Looks like we're gonna close bullish on this 30-minute candle. Come back to possibly retest this FVG that it's creating on the 30-minute to go back into longs. So I want to look for that. Um, see something here. Yeah, I like that. I like that move because we're already creating pretty much higher highs and higher lows, right? Already creating that. So I want to stay bullish, guys. I really need some water really quickly. I'll be right back. I'll be right back because I'm not really too stressed about getting into a trade yet because like I said, it looks like we're going to close bullish on this 30 minutes. So we have about 11 minutes until 9:30 open, New York Stock Exchange open. And then that's probably when we're going to get our trade, guys. So get ready, manage your risk, prepare your risk. I'm risking about 63 and a half points. It might be a little more, might be a little less, depending on where I get my entry at, but that's going to be my average for now, just because of how the market has been moving. Normally, I would average like 35 points, but with these candles and how low we are in the market, we gotta put lower lot sizes and contract sizes. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, so just give me a second. Let me mark up some internal highs for you guys because if we get this trade, I'm probably going to be passing this combine. So because this, I don't need this entire move. I only need like wait, how many ticks is this again? Need like literally this much of it. I think that's right. Wait, I don't even know what I thought, oh, my balance is, I need like $900. Yep, $900. All right. Yeah. A little under 900, but you guys get the picture. All right, so I'm looking at the 30-minute on my other screen. I'm waiting and I'm watching. So here's first TP. Okay, second TP. You could probably target here. You could target here. You could target here. I mean, you could target here because we might take it out and then kind of bounce from here. Why not? Internal highs, okay? Internal highs. You got a lot of TPs here, guys. You can use all of these highs as your TP, okay? All of them. Do you use any certain calculator for your RR? And if you do, which one? I don't. I just take, okay, so I mean, you can if you want to, if you're starting off. They do have baby pips calculator if you're trading Forex. If you're trading futures, I never used a calculator. I just figured out, how much each point is worth, each tick or whatever, all of it. And what I do is I take the ticks. I mean, I know people do it differently. Some people do it with the points, but I take the tick amount, 254 ticks. This is M and Q, and I take the how much it's worth. So I take 254. I divide it by 2, okay, and then I times it by how many contracts I want to put in. So I'm going to put in like 3 contracts, right? So I take 254 divided by 2, that gives me 127. So I times it by 3. So that's going to give me $381 for my risk. All right. That's going to be my risk because I just did the calculations for it. And my reward is going to be 2.46%. So I'm going to just times that by 2.46. So my reward is going to be $937.26. Okay. You just have to figure out what it's the value of it is, and then just pretty much do the math, like the equation for it, and just do that. But all right, so we gotta, looks like we're coming down here, guys. Looks like we're coming down here. I'm literally only putting 2 contracts in my PA account. Only 2 contracts. It's 50K. I'm only using 2 contracts. For this combine, I'm using 3 contracts. Okay, risking $381. That is the risk that I am okay with. Risking 1%, that's cool and all. I'm cool with $381. You don't have to risk 1% all the time, guys. Like, I know that's what they tell you, make 1% a day, this and that. It's like it's accurate, but when you're starting out, bro, don't risk 1% a day when you're still starting out. Risk lower. Build up your confidence. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, your profits might be a little bit smaller, but you won. So that's what you should focus on, not like the fucking profits, right? 77 people in here, guys. Okay. I need to see you guys click that like button. If you guys have liked the content so far, because it seems like you guys have, and you want to continue receiving this content for free, for the FREE free, I need to see you guys hit that like button down below. You know, leave a little heart or something, or give me a little smiley face in the comments section right here. And I really appreciate that. I know Trading Nut would really appreciate that. You know, we're both putting in our time to be here and do a lot of this content for you. So all you guys can do is just use your little tiny finger or your big ass finger and click that like button. Okay. I really appreciate that. And I know he does too. All right, guys. If you guys want to follow me on YouTube as well and on IG, my name is Woo Trades. Woo Trades. I'll post it in the comments here. Excuse me. Trading with Tratovate on Apex right now. Also, guys, if you don't have the money to buy a Trading View account or like the membership or whatever the hell you want to call it, you can use Apex. They literally give it to you with the combine. They literally give it to you. You can just log on to Trading View with Tratovate. And if you guys want to do that, you can use the Trading Nuts coupon code. You get like 80% off. Okay. And this is the coupon code. It's right here down below. It's going across right there. If you don't have the money to get a TradingView subscription, use Apex because they literally get it for you. You don't have to buy it. They buy it for you. All right. So you're not just receiving a nice discount on the 80%, but you're also literally receiving 100% discount on TradingView. You know what I mean? Like, think about it like that. Okay. They help you. All right, guys. So I'm probably not going to be looking at the comments for a little bit. All right. We're going to be trading now. We got 9:30 open. Let's see if we can come down into this FEG here. Let's see what we want to do. Damn, that's a pretty big push up from that open there. But I want to see it. It's coming down. It's coming down. It's lagging pretty fucking bad on TradingView though, a little bit. It's been a little laggy lately just because of, I guess, the market, especially during opens. But I'm looking at the other one, and I like this 30-minute FVG a little bit more. I'm actually gonna do this. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Not gonna get a retest at all. It would be nice to get a retest, but damn, if you want to go ahead and just take out liquidity first, then I guess we'll have to look for some longs or off of a pullback. Oh, doesn't even make sense why we didn't even come down into the FVG here. We just inverse this 5-minute FVG completely. Retracement, no pullback, nothing. Just fucking up. I would love to get in, but I can't get in based off of this. I gotta wait for my setup, and the setup is not happening. But we could take out these London highs first, come down, retest to grab some liquidity, and then boom, we go back up. Damn, here's my bait. Well, damn, why is it frozen over here? Okay, maybe it's because I can't even use two screens on my top step either. All right. Man, I want to see a pullback. I need to see it retrace into this FVG. Need to see it come down into either this FVG or off this New York Open for me to get into longs. That is the only way that I can take my trade, guys. That's it. I can't just hop into the trade. That's not how I trade. I need confirmations and I need it to come down first. Nope. What's up, Simon? No, you did not miss the trade. With the move up, is your setup still valid? Yes, it is still valid. It never came and retraced into this FVG yet or retested off of the New York Open. It is still valid, sir. The only way it will not be valid if if it comes down into the zone and rejects the zone. That's the only way for me that it's not going to be valid. Because we can still see a nice reaction from the zone. I really don't want to take out this DOL first, though. I would really love to see us retrace into this FVG. I need to see it. You did not miss anything yet, Simon. Gotta wait, bro. Gotta wait for the setup to happen. And it didn't happen yet. Just gotta wait. I would really love to not see us come down here first, though. I want to see this 30 come down a little bit. I'd like to see it close like maybe like a fake bearish or something, like a fake out bearish candle. Um, Tap into here. We're here. This is also a 30-minute order block. For you ICT fanatics. I need to get my vape since we're not really doing anything yet. So hold on. I was stretching this morning and fell out of my pocket. I got my little massage gun too, guys. Oh yeah, helps the nerves. Breathe. Namaste. Namaste. What's up, Simon? That's my bro. I'm glad to have you back, man. It's really good to have you back. It's nice to see your comments in here and have you back on the stream and in the Discord. It's really nice. Hope you're doing all right, dude. Hope you're feeling good. All right. Are you gonna come down? Everything's just like kind of frozen, you know? Kind of stuck. Like, what's happening? Why are we stuck? Nothing's happening. What is going on, guys? What's going on with my top step? My top step. Oh, there it is. Okay, there it goes. Damn. That was a. I guess that was what was going on. Because what the hell? It was fucking frozen for a second. You guys saw that? Candle just wasn't moving. What is going on with this market lately, man? Trump is just. He's just doing things, man. All right, if we close above this high, I mean, we could see a nice bounce and then reject and then come down. But, oh man, we're pretty far away now. That's the only other way that this would be invalid for me now. Well, I wouldn't say invalid, but it would happen way later, like way later, because it's not invalid, right? It hasn't even been tested yet. So nothing about it is invalid. It's just it's not there right now. But come on, guys, this is like you can't just jump into trades, right? This is just kind of teaching you guys also and myself more discipline, right? Like I used to just jump into trades a lot. And sometimes, I would get lucky. Yeah, I would get lucky, but sometimes you just you don't get lucky. And then you start revenge trading and do another shit because you just didn't wait for your setup to play out. I actually had a very beautiful trade yesterday. Um, just took out that internal high. We're trading above London highs. Let's see what this next 5-minute candle does here. This 15 is about to close in 3 minutes. We never had a retracement, man. That's what we needed. We needed that retracement into the FEG. That's how we get our entry. We don't just see the FEG and then just get in. Yeah, it's going up without us. Who has FOMO right now? If you have FOMO right now, yeah, hit that button. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hit it. And then see these internal highs get taken out and start rejecting, and then you start panicking, and then you close out early, but then it goes in your favor anyway, or it doesn't go in your favor and you lose more. You're gonna chase it? Go ahead. Go ahead. If you get lucky, you get lucky, you know? If this 15 closes above here, I guess in this sense, we could use this 5-minute fair value gap. If we get a nice reaction from this fair value gap, I'll grab some longs. But if this 15 closes below, I'm going to wait for a retracement to go back into my longs. We could see this DOL get taken out and then take shorts down as well. If we close below this DOL. If we close above the DOL, I'm looking for longs. I'm looking for longs. The only way I'll take this short is if we inverse it and if we close below. And then we could look to take shorts all the way into the FEG here. $182 divided by 2 times 4, 364. I would only need this much of the move. So get ready. We might grab some shorts, guys. We might be grabbing shorts first. And then if we take longs too, I'll take it on my PA with you guys. But this one, all right. Okay. 1. All right, taking shorts. I'm in shorts. Can't even see the fucking candle moving. Closing. I'm gonna close, guys. I'm closing. I just I like the trade a lot. I can't stand the fact that I can't see these candles moving. I can't stand it. But I'm out. I just grabbed like what 34 points. Now I'm down about 1% to trade. I mean to pass. Okay. I really hate the fact that these candles have been really laggy so much lately. So much. I can't see anything. I can't see it. I need to see the candles moving. This 5-minute FVG got inverse, bro. What do you mean? That's why I took shorts. We also closed below this low London high, but we are heavily bullish on the higher time frame. So it was a quick scalp. It was a quick scalp. But we did inverse this 5-minute FVG. Oh, no, you're right. There was no 5-minute FVG inversed because the FVG closed. Oh, I took a very risky move. I still won it. Okay. Well, no, you're completely right, bro. You are completely right. We did not inverse an FEG. This was going to be the FEG had we closed with an FEG, but it closed. So, yeah, no, let's look for our longs, guys. Let's look for our longs. You're completely right. Wow, I got lucky there, huh? I got pretty lucky there. Good thing I closed. But no, you're completely right. Yeah, bro, like this chart has been lagging ever since we've been hitting lows. It's been lagging ever since we've been hitting lows, and then I can't look at my two charts anymore. I can't do it on Hop Step either for some reason. Oh yeah, I can. Now it's done lagging. You are so right though. Oh my god, I got quite lucky with that short. Man, my eyes played a trick on me there. So we closed below London highs, but let's see. Maybe we're waiting for this 4 hour open, guys. So let's see what happens. 4 hour opens in 10 minutes. Okay, so we could see the 4 hour because the 4 hour is opening. All right, so it's the 4 hour candle, guys. Do you know how many fucking 30-minute candles are in the 4 hour candle? Whatever math that is. I'm not doing the math on that right now, but that's a lot. And the 4 hour typically likes to retrace. So if we can get that 4 hour to retrace down into our 30-minute FEG, we're going to be good for our longs. Um, I would be really, really happy with that. As long as this fucking chart doesn't lag. But you know what? I'm going to log into my Trativate because pretty sure Trativate is not as laggy as TradingView right now. Um, if Trativate is not as laggy, would you guys want me to switch the screen over to Trativate, or would you guys want me to just keep my trading view screen up? Because I'm still going to be trading based off of the levels on trading view. I might have to just mark them up on Trativate. Trading view, why have you been lagging so much, bro? But everything's been lagging. Even Top Step has been lagging. And normally Top Step doesn't lag like that. Normally, like how I used to trade with gold is I would see this nice bullish candle, right? I would like to see a nice bottom wick form, how it did here. I would have taken my trade and then boom, bada boom, bada bing, I would have went up. But I don't trade like that anymore because I have found this strategy to be a bit more rewarding for the risk. Because my stops would have been below this. Well, I probably could have gotten out. I don't know if I would have gotten in like immediately at the low of here, but my stops would have been below this candle here. It's like 110 points. So my risk to reward is a lot better with this strategy. Trativate's fine. Okay. Let me see here. The only thing I don't like about Trativate is that you guys are going to see my Apex account number. But you know what? It doesn't even matter because I have two-factor on and it just doesn't matter. Whatever. That's fine. All right, here's Trativate. So yeah, I don't really use Trativate that much, or Trativate. I'll always say Trativate. It's Trativate. But yeah, let me just mark up the FVG here. How do I take this goddamn? Let's hit myself in the chin. Did you guys see that? Yeah, I don't use Trativate that much, so just kind of, if I can bear with me on that. Bro, Trativate, why you act like that? Oh my gosh. All right. Well, this is what we want. See, I don't really like the way Trativate is. It's kind of fucking annoying. It's easier with Trativate to just click the buy and sell button. Like all this chart mechanisms and shit, just ass. So it looks like we're still trying to break and close above this London high on the higher time frame. So let's see what the 30 does. And if 30 closes above, do we have an FEG to work off of? Not really. I mean, there's a little one here. But this is a huge wick on the 30. So I don't really like that FEG. But this is also a big wick. But oh, this is a 15. No retracement, man. Like, I mean, I made an accidental $400. 500 bucks away from passing this combine. Made a little bit on my top step. Made like $120. Nothing crazy. I'm still building up my cushion on my top step. So when I start building my more cushion up for my top step, I'm going to be definitely increasing my contract size. But right now, I'm still building up a good amount of cushion so that I can be okay with some days that are red. It's my TA account for my top step. I'm going to go back to TradingView for a little bit because there's just more to look at. There's just a little bit more to look at while it's, not being crazy with the movement right now and lagging. Looks okay. Okay. This would be a nice retracement. If we break this 1 minute trend line, we could see a nice retracement down into our entry. We could see that. Man, sucks when your setups don't want to play out because of how the market is acting, because of all the tariffs and shit. Trump ain't playing, bro. They say Trump is doing this to the markets on purpose. He's dumping them so he can buy at a really, really low price and then pump it back up. Like, if that's true, then that's fucked up. But it makes sense. I mean, in a business perspective, it makes sense. Countries are literally a business. It makes sense. I would say. Hope you guys have. I hope you guys have already hit that like button. Okay, I don't. I hope I haven't said it um, too much, but I need to say it more because I need to see those like buttons increase. I don't even know how many likes we're sitting at right now. Let's see what we're sitting at. Oh, okay, the 4 hour just opened. So let's see what we get, guys. Let's see what we get. We closed above London highs. Okay. Okay. But it's the 4 hours. So I just why aren't you retracing? Like, just give me a retracement. There's not even a fucking bottom wick on here. Oh, there's no bottom wick on here either. We closed above London highs. So that means we're probably just going to keep going up. So if we can come back, get a nice little retest of London highs, I might look to take a trade off of a retest of London highs. But since we've just been pushing up so much, it would make more sense to come down, right? Grab some liquidity and then continue up. But we're just going up. We're just going up. So how disappointing. 1, 2, 3, 4 bullish 30-minute, huge 30-minute candles. How big this 30-minute candle is. 357 points. It's insane. I guess this could have been the retest off of this 30-minute FEG, but that's on the 5. Oh. Yeah. Dang, just no wicks, no wicks, no rejection, no rejection. Just up, just up. I'm doing my job. I'm following how the market should be moving, but it's not moving technically how it's supposed to be moving. It's just doing its own damn thing because of these tariffs. Like there's no retracements, none. I can't get over it. I can't get over it. I was really hoping that this 4 hour is going to come down first to make a bottom wick and tap somewhere, at least into this FVG, like at least on the top of it or something. But nothing. Nothing. Because I was really wanting that bottom wick for the 4 hour. But since we closed above London highs, that's probably why we didn't really get that. This would have been a nice trade, though. Very nice trade. But, oh, maybe we're going to get it now. We're going to get our fucking reversal. But we're just so far away. We're so far. I'd rather get shorts now, to be honest. Like, I would much rather get shorts. Now that we've been pushing up so much. I don't really want to wait for this retracement to come all the way back into to take longs because I get off at 11, guys. I'm not staying on past 11. So if I don't get another trade before 11, I'm staying cash for the rest of the day. I have an eye doctor appointment at like 1:40. Ah, gotta stay disciplined. Disciplined. Only take A plus setups, your setup, okay? Just man, I really Looks like we could get some shorts, guys. We could definitely get some shorts. Just, there's no FVG. Only FVG we really have is like right here. There is one here on the 1 minute that we just inversed. It's a nice inverse. And we also broke past the 1 minute trend line. That I was looking at. But higher time frame is very bullish. Very, very bullish. But we've been pushing up so much that it would make sense to get some type of reversal. We need some more liquidity to keep pushing up, right? So we got to get some type of reversal in here. But we took out this internal high, and then we started reversing. Internal highs are actually very strong. Very, very strong levels. Wow, look at this push down, guys. Maybe we'll get our entry sooner than I thought. Oh. Just we already took out the objective though from this FEG, so we'll probably look for different objectives. But if we take shorts, we could take shorts into the FEG. We can use the FEG as our TP. So FEGs you can use for multiple things. You can use it to inverse it. You can use it to use as a retracement into the FEG to take a continuation trade. You can take a reversal trade, and you can use them as TPs. You can also use them as your stop loss. The bottom of the FEG, typically, some people use as their stop loss. Some people use the bottom of the candle that created the FEG as their stop loss. Some people also use the bottom of the candle that inversed the FEG or that retraced from the FEG. So it really depends on your preference. Yeah. So still just waiting for the setup to play out off of these FEGs. Still nothing. So if you guys want to join my Discord, because today is the last day that I'm trading on Trading Nuts Live. Well, just for this week. Just for this week. I'll be back on Monday after today. I'm not leaving yet. I'm just saying while we're waiting for this trade to, you know, go in our favor. If you guys want to join the Discord, you can trade with me tomorrow and Friday if I am trading, which I probably will. I don't always trade on Fridays, but I might this week if something plays out. You know, like today, if the setup plays out, we'll take a trade. Got a little lucky today with some shorts, quick shorts that I got like 400 bucks off of. So now I'm about 1% away from passing this one combine. Okay. But here is the link. Oh, ooh, that was about to be really bad. Why does it do that? Right in here. There is the Discord link, guys. If you guys are leaving, because I'm starting to see people starting to leave, please make sure you hit that like button before you leave, please. If you enjoyed the free content today, keyword free, you want the free content to continue, please hit that like button. Okay. There is the Discord. Everything is free. Free Discord, free daily analysis, free signals. It's still kind of a new Discord, starting it up a bit. We got about 20 people in here so far. We do have Cam in there, Trading Nut. So definitely join it up. He's one of our moderators. Okay. All right. Are we going to get the inverse that we want here, guys? Or are we going to get a bounce? I'd much rather get a bounce. I mean, an inverse. You guys are right or wrong. Sounds like, you know what I mean? Like I'm talking to like a 5-year-old. You know what I mean? It took me 3 years. Maybe see. Alright, guys. Yeah. If you guys want to like Whoa, thank you, Simon. Man, you're the man, bro. Simon is the man. That's that man. Man. Are we gonna get this inverse, bro? Or are we just gonna start chopping up, man? Because we do have that FOMC meeting minutes at 2 p.m. So maybe it will do something a good amount this time, just because of the tariffs and the economy right now. Everything that's going on. Yeah, there's a Discord link in the comments, guys, if you want to join. Again, Cam is in there, Trading Nut. Definitely come support. It's free. It's all free. Everything is free, 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 free. Free for free, 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 for free, 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 free. Also, guys, again, if you do not have enough money to purchase a TradingView subscription, please use Apex because they help you out in that. They give you discounts on the coupon codes. You can use Trading Nuts coupon code. They'll give you Trading Nut, or not Trading Nut. They'll give you TradingView for free, guys. You can use it for free. You don't have to buy a TradingView subscription if you use Apex. Yes, very interesting. But make sure you use Trading Nuts coupon code right here down below that's scrolling across the screen if you want to use Apex. Definitely for this free information that, that's being provided. I don't get anything from it. I'm not benefiting from it. Cam gets the benefits from it. I'm just here to help. And definitely want to do that for him because I appreciate him having me on his live, like he doesn't have to have me here. But he likes the way I trade. He likes me as a person. He's a great guy. And we're here to connect and build, make some connections. You know what I mean? So use Apex if you don't have enough money for TradingView. But use Tradovate. If you use Apex, use Tradovate, whatever the hell you want to, however the hell you want to say it. Looks like we're just gonna fucking chop up for a bit, man. Because we already took out DOL. We took out an objective, two objectives. We took out DOL and we took out two internal highs. So it looks like we might chop up a little bit here. But if you guys want to wait later for this 30-minute FEG play to play out, you can. I'm telling you, it's more than likely going to play out if it comes back in there and taps into it, because this is a lot of liquidity that we have. All this, but it'd probably be better to take shorts first because we have a lot of liquidity to grab below now. But yeah. So yeah, like I said, With Apex, you get TradingView for free, so it's not like you're just saving money on a combine. You know, you're also saving money on TradingView. You don't have to fucking buy it. It's like $200 a year or something like that for the basic, something like that, something like that. Yeah, the market moving like this, guys, I'm telling you, this is just, it's not normal, you know? It's just not normal. It's just not normal. And the economy is definitely to blame for it, guys. Like, but we're definitely coming down, I see, it looks like. It's just gotta wait a little bit longer. But I'm probably gonna be gone by then. But yeah, you guys, I might be gone by then. I might go ahead and just get off because I did have a nice accidental win for the day. Um, Made about 400 bucks, and also I am now just 1% away from passing this combine. Had a nice green day on my PA account. These are scalpers here, like some serious 1-minute scalpers that are going on right now. I know a guy that scalps just like this. He waits for a lot of doji close. Well, he marks up his levels, and then he waits for a lot of doji closures on the levels, and just kind of takes a trade based off of that down to probably like right here at this support level. You know, there's so many ways to trade, guys. Like, so many ways to trade. But I prefer this one because it's less hectic, less stressful. My risk to reward is better. And sometimes, you know, you can just kind of sit through these trades. You can just kind of sit through the trades that I take. But yeah, I'm probably going to get off, guys. No movement, man. We're chopping up here. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and call it, guys, because it doesn't look like we're going to get another trade here in the next 15 minutes either. So, if you guys are still trading, please be careful. These markets are just not normal. You can look for some shorts to come down into here because this is a lot. Oh, wait, I'm looking at the wrong screen. You can take some shorts to come down into here because this is a lot of liquidity to come and grab, right? So we just took out DOL. We took out this internal high. We took out this internal high. So what you can start doing is looking for shorts to grab this liquidity. I doubt we're going to go. I mean, we could come down here and take out this London low and this New York low without taking out this Asia low. But the chances of it happening, I mean, it could happen. Could happen. Oh, let me show you guys the fucking trade I took yesterday. I didn't take both of them, but my analysis was on point, guys. My analysis was on point. So, yesterday, I said, this was at 9:11 a.m. This is in Discord. I said, Coming into the market, it seems as if we want to push up into yesterday's New York high that we created after a huge impulsive move to the upside after Trump spoke about tariffs. If we do, I will look for a rejection to then take shorts into Asia and London lows. If we close above yesterday's New York open, I will look for a pullback to continue higher into untouched session highs. Okay, so I had two biases. I had a bias for shorts, and then I also had a bias for longs. I said we could also see a break and retest of New York open to the upside to take out New York high liquidity. So I actually already I took this trade. I took this trade yesterday. I didn't grab all of it. I grabbed a good amount of it. I just don't like the market, So I'm just trying to take my profits as I see them, and because this market is just it's unfucking predictable sometimes right now. But yesterday I predicted that shit so well. Um, maybe sometimes just leave one contract running really, and just say fuck it, go break even. Just say fuck it. Anyway, so I took this trade. It played out. It didn't completely take out this New York high deal well. It came literally like 2 or 3 points away from taking it out. And if you guys were trading yesterday, you literally saw this happen. So this was my trade. And this one also played out, guys. Like this was the bigger one. This one was huge, huge. And then I think it just kept going down. I don't know, not all the way down. But yeah, see, this was the trade. I didn't take this one. I don't think I was around at this time. But oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, this was a DOL one touch theory. This wasn't really a data high, but I kind of treated it as a data high because Trump was speaking. And there wasn't any news yesterday, but there wasn't news on Forex Factory that was saying Trump was speaking either. It was that's just how I treated it. But oh my gosh, guys, this was a crazy move. Holy booty cheeks, man. But I'll see you later, Simon. Holy booty cheeks, bro. Yeah, guys, join that Discord, all right? Join that Discord. It's in the link is in the bio. Come trade with me. It's free, okay? And maybe we can catch another crazy fucking trade like this. Because right now, yeah, the market's crazy, but risk to reward right now can be insane. I don't even know how many fucking points that was. I think I saw it yesterday. It was this was 296 points. This had to be over like, oh my god, this was almost 1,000 points. That's insane. All right, guys. Well, I'm calling it a day. Doesn't look like we're gonna get a trade. Doesn't look like the setup is playing out. So I will see you guys on Monday. This is the last day I'm trading this week on the live. That's why I said join the Discord if you want to continue trading with me to see my signals, my analysis, to see how it lines up with yours, yada yada yada. I'll put it in the comments one more time. Okay. Man, I like this. I like this doji closure though on the 1 hour. I mean, on the 30-minute. I really do like that doji closure. But like, fuck it. Fuck it. We'll come back another day. And the reason I like this doji closure too is because now we have a 30-minute FEG. Oh my gosh, hold on guys. You know what? I'll just wait 30 minutes. I get off at 11. I'll wait 30 minutes. If we can inverse this 30-minute FEG, that'll be great. That would be great. That would be great. But it might not even inverse it until the 1 hour opens. So I'll give it like 10 minutes. I'll give it 10 minutes. All right, fuck it. Doesn't look like it's happening. All right, guys, I'm done. I gave it 2 minutes, and I don't even like how this candle's moving, so I'm over it. I'm over this market today. I got a nice accidental scalp for 400 bucks, so I can't be too mad about that. All right, guys. Before I leave, make sure you hit that like button, okay? You better hit that like button. I don't understand. We have 80 something people. We had like 80 people watching and there's only 8 likes. That doesn't even make sense to me, guys. This shit is free and I don't appreciate the fact that you guys are not appreciating the free content by not hitting the like button. So that doesn't make me too happy. It doesn't make me happy at all. It's one click. You clicked on the video, you can click on the like button. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Got a couple more likes. I appreciate that. I appreciate you guys. All right, guys. Like I said, join the Discord if you want to continue trading with me for the rest of the week. If not, I will be back on Monday. Thank you, Simon. Thank you. Thank you. But yeah, if not, I'll be back on Monday on Trading Nuts Live. And cheers, guys. Stay safe for the rest of the week and for today. Remember, we have news at 2 p.m. today. 2 p.m. Okay? 2 p.m. right before power hour. So be careful. Use stop loss. Wear protection. We don't need any more kids in this world. All right. Bye.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, start trading Forex indices and commodities with up to 800k of Blue Guardian's capital risk-free. Just pay a small one-time fee to take the challenge, hit a profit target and get funded. Then keep up to 90% of your profits and enjoy fast weekly payouts. Now for futures traders, Blue Guardian Futures offers up to 450k in funding with 100% profit on your first 15k. With low targets, no activation fees and unlimited resets, it's one of the best deals in the industry. Visit blueguardian.com or blueguardianfutures.com to start trading today and grab their limited time discount code.